Hello everyone, today we are back. We are going to be unboxing you and reviewing this laptop up close. That way you guys can see every effect of it. It comes nice and protected in the package. It comes with a very nice user manual. Wow. Look how nice this is. Nice, sleek design. TF card reader on the side here. 2 USB ports. You have a fast USB port right here. AUX plug-in port, which is great for your headphones. Type-C port, Type-C port, HDMI port, fast USB port. This is the power supply. It's a Type-C plug with a 2-prong outlet plug. So you plug this in your prong outlet of your home or power bank. Are you ready for the great reveal? Wow. Take a look at this. This is really nice. Look at the wide pad here. So this is going to be as your mouse. If you don't have a wired or wireless mouse, you can use this. I love how big the keys are. They're fairly quiet when you press on them. That is excellent. Power button is up here. Press to turn the power button on. You have your wide screen right up here with your camera right up here. So yes, this is a built-in camera as well. I'm really liking this. This is really sleek. You guys can see the tapered off effect. So it's a little thicker right here and it tapers down, which is really cool. For those who like to look underneath, they're underneath again. So we're going to go through the first steps. So here it's going to allow us to go through a bunch of settings here. So we're going to go ahead, and this is how the mouse works. As you guys can see here, you just simply glide your hand across and you can see the mouse, which is excellent. So you do not need your own actual mouse. You'll go through setting up a password and security questions as well. So far, this ACEMAGIC is beautiful. Like, everything is quick and fast. Going through the settings, it's easy. I'm very impressed so far. Okay, we're gonna go connect to the internet, but so far everything is simple, easy to use. Very nice, my friends. Very, very nice. Okay, in the bottom corner, it actually picked up full bars from our router, which is excellent. We're gonna actually go ahead now and load up the internet here. First time opening. So we're just going to go through all this here. So there's kind of a workaway around the first startup. If you guys go under here and you bring it up, you can actually end task all of this here. Microsoft Edge, and we're going to end task this. So this is kind of a workaround from Microsoft Edge. And now let's see, if we bring it up, it should. Yeah, so now we can actually bypass them stealing info. We can just simply go right over and enter what we want. So YouTube, we're gonna go on YouTube. Look how fast this is, guys. Like, this is incredible. The speed is excellent. So we're just gonna we're gonna bring up our account. And that way we don't get any copyright issues or anything like that.
Hi, my name is Scott Wanger.
welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. I really appreciate you guys being here. I first created this account in 2009. So this is the audio volume without any enhancements. As I've matured, as I've changed, I have got into product reviews, and I've been. So as you guys can see, it's actually pretty incredible. The federal government has officially extended the solar investment credit, which so let's skip here. When they... Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today we're showing you this heavy-duty pan. So this is great for cooking. Now we're personally look how fast this is, guys. In the cabin when we are cooking over the fire, so we want to make steaks or in the morning eggs and bacon. Look at this, guys. It's like instant, like heavy-duty. Whatever we want to do, it's like instant. The quality loads really well. To do that. And when I tell you heavy-duty, that's up at the 4K. So it would probably take a little yeah, look at that. Right there, 4K, no problem. Let me show you. Like, this is incredible, guys. I'm very impressed with this speed. You know, if we go and just search. Watch this, guys. Boom. Right there. Like, instant to our other account. Like, instant, guys. It's incredible. Like, this laptop is really nice. This is going to be a great laptop for college students, for high school students, for kids and teens and adults at home, personal use, office use. Like, this is really nice. It's portable, easy to take it with you guys. And of course you can play with the settings, you can play with the screen settings and go through all that. So as you guys can see, for us, you can change, we're not gonna enter a password here, but you guys can change it so when you close the laptop, instead of putting it to sleep, it can stay open or it can shut down. Guys, I'm actually very impressed with this. Very, very impressed with this laptop. The performance is really good. Yeah, I'm very impressed. Okay, we're actually downloading something called Unique Engine Heaven Benchmark 4.0. This will allow us to test out the laptop and see how powerful it is. So we're going to go ahead and do that for you guys. Okay, my friends. Again, we test all of our computers with Heaven Benchmark, and I'm very excited. We're going to do custom DirectX 11 quality. We're gonna set it for high, and let's see. Let's go under run. So we're gonna run Heaven Benchmark, and this basically puts the laptop to test. It tests out its power and performance. It lets you know if it's a weak laptop, it's a good laptop. Same with desktop computers. It's something I use for the last, I don't know, 8-9 years on all of the computers we test out. So we're gonna go and do that, and we're gonna be able to see a score here. We got things turned up pretty good. So quality is under high. So this is setting everything at high, and let's go ahead and hit that benchmark. So it's going to be benchmarking right now. Now benchmarking is basically for games. So if you want to play some high-powered games, basically right now this is if you would be playing a higher powered game, like a more heavy graphic heavy game under high settings. So normally with a regular laptop, you probably won't be playing under high settings. With something like this, you'll do medium, and we'll show you guys that in a moment here. Again, we're doing it at high quality. So if you would be playing a game on this laptop under high quality, most people aren't going to be using this for gaming. But if you do, I recommend having the quality settings under low to medium, because for a laptop of this caliber, low to medium is going to be perfect for it. We're just testing it out on high just to get an idea. By the way, I do want to point out that under high quality, I've had multiple laptops crash. So far, this has not crashed. So it is actually handling high quality. It might not be that many frames per second when you play, if you would use this for gaming, but it is handling it. It's not crashing, which is excellent. But as you guys saw playing like YouTube videos, excellent speed, like almost instant. The internet is excellent. Of course, it's going to be based off of your internet connection, but processing, loading stuff, you know, your standard stuff that you would use if you're a student or just a regular person. Excellent. This is just for those, you know, this is just a step up for those who are curious about the processing power. But for 90% of what your people are going to be using it for, it's going to work perfect. And another thing, the fan is super quiet as well, which is very nice. So here we have our system here. Average frame per second is about 10.3, score of 259. For this level of computer, you know, it's a UHD graphics, 1024 MB for the GPU is Intel RUHD. The CPU is Intel N95. So for what it is, and it didn't crash under high quality direct 3D11 rendering, I would say for what you're getting a pretty good package here. You can't expect it to handle those AAA games. You can't expect it to handle some of those high-end, powerful type programs. But for 90% of your use, it's going to be perfectly fine. If you do play any games with this, just simply turn the quality down low to medium, and you guys should be fine.